So we're gonna talk about Fairdesk. Consider it for trading cryptocurrency, and because it's have leverage trading, and we're gonna discuss what's leverage trading and what's the fees for this platform, and how how to trade with less fees. Section below we're gonna discuss this, how to get this 300 bonus, and how to open really simple in just 30 seconds. And we discussed, even if you are resident in UK or US, we have a kind of a solution for that. Okay, so let's get right to it and see what we gonna do. The first thing when we open an account with the Fairdesk. Okay, so this would be pretty simple. If we go here, we have USD perpetual or margin. So I will make it simple as possible. So consider this: if you just bought a house and you put a down payment, like let's say for 30,000, okay, and of course you didn't buy the house, but you have just the down payment of the 30,000 to own the house. An example for the house, let's say 300,000, okay, and the house appreciate, like let's say 1 year or 2 years for 10%. So you get 30,000 on the 300,000 or percent. So you don't get 10% on the 30,000 that you put the down payment, but you get 10% on the 300,000 with the valuation for this for the house in total. So you get kind of like almost 100%. This is what's called 10-to-1 margin. Okay, this is a kind of example, simple example regarding the house, to make it simple for you. What's actually the like leverage trading, and how you could use it. Expand your profit. At the same time, it have a risk to expand your losses, but we're gonna discuss how to prevent that from happening, and we have a strategy to doing that as well. So here we could go first. And one thing to note is all operation must be taking place on Fairdesk Go app. And here you can see the app. You can download it either on App Store or Google Play, and this is how it looks like when you download the application on your phone. You see the chart, and here you see your portfolio on the right corner, and you see how much you have in kind of organized way. And really like this kind of interface, pretty neat for Fairdesk Go. And you can see here as well in the list of coin. There's pretty much a lot, and you can choose whatever you like to trade. So here we could go first and discuss the 300 bonus, as we can 100 bonus after you deposit, of course, either BTC or USD Tether or Ethereum. And we're gonna discuss this right now. Here you could actually deposit the USD Tether. I prefer the better to have this network, okay, TRC20, if you want to deposit, okay, and you just scan this CR code with your Coinbase or whatever wallet you're using, and it's automatically you get deposit the amount of money from your wallet to here. However, you have to use the same network here, TRC20 or BCSC, and this one will be perfect as well. And you can see here there's a lot of options. So use the Tether, BTC, Ethereum, ADA. There's a lot of coin you can deposit here on the Fairdesk. So let's go and even let me discuss the FBN for you. So for FBN, you can search and Google on the FBN, and this is when you register with the FBN. You could trade here on Fairdesk if you're a resident in US or UK, okay? And if you have any question, like a chat with the help center here, and you can send them like a direct message, and they can solve the problem for you. So this is really simple and transparent. So let's get right to it, and first let's go here on trading. And let's start with, let's say, do a trade on BTC USD Tether, okay, for example. And here you can see the chart is trading view chart is perfect. And when you click this sign here, you see, you can see the sign here. When you click it, you can have all the setting for trading view. Here you can do like ascending line. You can draw and draw the resistance and the support. And you hear this the measure. You can measure how much percentage, and you calculate what your risk, how much percentage you risk, and how much percentage you gain. So everything is here and perfect as a trading view. That's what I like. So let's see and try to open trade for BTC USD Tether. And we could have like 3 different options to open a trade, either limit order or market order or conditional, okay? So for the limit order, you could, if you want to buy, let's say here BTC right now is around the 49,000, okay? And let me just draw the support, because I always buy when we are on the support. So here we kind of have a support around the 48,632. Okay, so if we, just example, if we know that the price right now will continue to go up, however, this is the support, we could actually buy around the 4.8 here. Okay, because the price always should respect the support. So here we have the margin of error, the 48868. Okay, here we should buy, and any price above this is perfect, and any price below here is mean the price will continue down. So we have a stop loss around the 48.49. Okay, so we could actually open a buy limit order. The buy limit order is mean we buy before below the current price right now, the 49, and we know that the price might go a bit consolidate down, then go up again. So this is the buy limit order. So what we're gonna do right now is 49,000. We could buy around the 40 here. How much percentage? This is simple. So if you have 1,000, you don't want to put like 5,000. You just put a percentage of the money you actually have right now. So I'll put, let's say, 50% of what I have right now on my account, and the price 51,500. Okay, this is kind of the resistance. And let's say put 100% of what we own our trade. If the price go until the 51 and get rejected, however, if the price go above this around the 52, we get out. So here we could actually put 100% and sell short. And here is 500. This is we gonna sell short. Is mean the price when hit our target, we get in for we betting that the price will go down after hitting this price. Okay, so we could make profit even the price down, going down. Okay. So you take kind of liquidity from the market. That's why you have to pay fees. However, if you are market maker, which is you make a buy limit order, is mean you put liquidity in the market, and that's get you no fees or less fees considering the platform, because usual order, because you put liquidity in the market, which you can see here. This is a lot of buy limit order. You can see a lot of people, so be careful from that. That's why cross margin, if we use for one trade and we traded, let's say, Bitcoin around the 50,000 and the price went down on us and we bought around the same thing happen if the price go up. If the price go up for Bitcoin, let's say from 50,000 to like 5% up, from 50,000, we get 25,000 profit, not 5%. You see? So this is kind of the thing. However, in cross margin, when the price go down and go to near liquidation area, which is around the 80% of our trade, the price that we don't use in a trade will be used to delegate the liquidation process, okay, and we still be in the trade. However, that's why I don't recommend using cross for new trader, because usually we can delegate our risk or manage our risk by using stop losses, okay. So let's say, okay, let's do market order right now and do 25%. We bought right now Bitcoin USDT Tether, okay, right, stop loss and profit. From our technical analysis, we can put it around here because we might see the price go until here, the 51. It will be 51,443. Okay, and taking profit here, stop loss, let's say around the 48,473. Okay, so here this is good for this one, and this is we did market order. And so for isolated is better, you know why? Because isolated, when you 1,000 worth of Bitcoin and the trade will open, even if you don't put a stop loss or for this trade, it will be just this 1,000 that you risk. Okay, if you lose and you liquidate it, the 1,000 will be just the only 1,000 you lose. However, as we said, if we put stop loss, even for for the cross, it will be the same as isolated because you have put stop loss. So you be stopped out and you get out with the amount that you're willing to lose loss. So if you want to know how to put stop loss and like how to take a profit and how to manage your risk, you can join us in Patreon and Discord in comment section below, where we do everything about manage risk and how to put stop loss and everything. So here for the calculator, you can play with everything regarding this. You can calculate it from here, and you can calculate how much your risk. And here for the long, and here for short as well, and even for liquidation if you want to know how much money you could risk before you get liquidated. Okay, so here you can see the entry price. You put the entry price, let's say for 50,000 as well, quantity how much you bought for BDC, and cross or isolated, and here the balance, and you calculate and you can see when you get liquidated. So this is great, good to use the calculator, and the calculator is here near the cross and the margin indicator. You use the 300 bonus for the link below. If you use my link below, will be a good to use in a trade, and you can use it even for lower your fees when you do trading on Fairdesk. Okay, and Fairdesk, is it safe and is it trustworthy? Yes, of course, because they have experienced team from Binance and Morgan Stanley. So, and again, if you have any question regarding Fairdesk, just comment section below. Don't forget to get your 300 bonus in the comment section below. And if you want to know how to put your stop loss and to trigger profit taking and to lower your stress when you trade, you know, that's what I do. I put everything. I put first the stop loss, the support and the resistance, my technical, then I calculate how much I risk, and I put the profit take and stop loss and trigger the trade, and that's it. This is kind of simple and manageable, because if you do a lot of trade, I do a lot of trade, not just for me, for my members and my clients. Comment section below, you can find our Patreon, Discord, and many more. So without further ado, stay safe and hunt for exact price value. See you in the next video.